chỉ bay lẹ vek u a top thleng in lo en ula USA Nghahloh Dawr kan lo tilang ve lokang o go into weekend ani boka kan panen Virginia khutre te ya tlo mai mayang kan tia kan han kal mai maya Lovettsville Historical Society and Museum te mai hi Hi honey ate em đi tắm tạc ổng năm đây anh bụng tê khoa map phụ đi ổng tất cả này anh bel yang pui tê hay lai hi and what is this? What is this?
It should have a handle. But you turn
okay,
this,
so you put your corn in.
You put your corn in here, and it shucks off all the, you know, the.
Hi malai.
The corn
Sangkat
from the
zasari,
cob.
sangkat zari at bel.
What happened to the cob?
They just fly out.
It flew out the bottom? Okay.
Yeah.
And what is this?
Okay, that's for making apple butter.
Butter,
You know, you cut up lots and lots of apples. Cut them up, put them in there. You build a fire underneath it, and you cook it and stir it and everything else. And
apple
eventually
butter.
you get the apple butter. There.
Oh wow.
Lovettsville goes back, well, it goes back probably to about the earliest times to the 1720s. Now the town itself, Lovettsville, goes back only to 1820. 1820.
Wow.
Right. The area was settled by mostly German settlers.
Germany tam tak te chu helai hun
and the land was owned by Lord Fairfax.
Okay. Lal
What he did,
Fairfax
these German settlers, they came
English
and they sort of
pine
found
Aram
nice piece
aniya
of land and settled
German
on it.
hotan
And he knew
arenta
a
out
good thing. Lord
ti mai la
Fairfax knew a good thing
aman
when
ho
he saw
tir
it,
bokani
because they were clearing the forests,
German mi te chu na
improving
thok
land,
sa
planting
em
trees,
lal
building
Fairfax
houses,
hian na sia ta
stuff like
wangin
that. And so we said,
helai ram
okay, you know,
atan
I'll
hian
lease the land to you.
aduang taka
For
an
3
enkol don
lifetimes. In other
awangin
words, you,
helai ram hi
your son, and your
an
grandson,
hena
you know, you can
a ho
have this
tirani
land to farm and
Lal
everything
Fairfax
else, as long as
chuan
you improve it and everything
German
else,
ho
you know.
hne na
So
chuan
that's
helai
how
ram
the
hi
area got
thataka in enkol thei don chuanin
And what is this?
atiani
This is a,
Hey,
they call it a shaving.
Kipon ka siya tiyang
What
siya
it
lewa
is when you,
king vel na
when
ang
you're,
aniyang chu
you have a piece of wood and you're
in
trying
chung
to
khu na tura ta na an
make it fit,
material an
especially like
king
shingles for a
an
roof,
vel
Oh,
ma
something
ani
like that.
ya hi pa
Well,
hen
this is what you do it on, and you
an
have
explain na an trua
you sit on this,
an not mam dan an explain ani hi
put your,
shingle an ti America rama chuanin
shingle
kan in
on
chung
here,
khu na katyang
and
man
clamp it
laya
down with your foot,
an lo
and then
siam
you have
dan
a draw knife,
kaka
you
an
know,
explain
sharp
ani hi
blade,
kipon
and
siya
shave it
tiam
off, you know, and
siya
that's
em
what
su
it
kan
is.
nei lo ma se
okay.
ari
In
ruwa
German, they
ka
would
siya tiam
call
be
it a
de so ani
Schnitzelbank.
Oh.
You know, but in
he khoter
English,
te ya
my-
German ramatanga lo
my,
lu thau om
husband's,
na ani ti kan
grandfather
siya
came from
tian he pa
Germany.
ne hian kan pa po api le pu German atanga lo kala ni ti kan sil fia ve ni hi
Let's see. Oh, there's a bed warmer.
America ram hi thasi
is that what it is?
em thina man lai electric om ma khum le in nan ti lum dan tlem hi
Don't do it from a distance. Go.
alo oma helai hian helaya bel hi bed warmer an tia heta hianin
And it's a bed warmer.
mei hol anda mei hol kha khum noya an rola chu chuanin anin tilung thina ni
No, not. What do they put here, honey?
Charcoal.
Charcoal. Oh, charcoal zokani too.
Burning. Hot.
man lai electric om ma
And they put it under
kan ngai
the
tua
covers
thina
of the bed. And it
lai
warms up
khovot na
the
sat
bed.
thei
And there's another one right there.
thei sia kan ngai tua hianin an lo khong ngai thlak mi tam tak an lo si thin hi chu a om mani khobo wangin hele man lai telephone le
You would hold it
tun lai telephone
and you drop into here.
Atang kang tho dan zel kan man dan helai te
And you remember this, right?
te mani se
And you went to this one.
an lo da setia dial si kha ni phata chuan
And then
me
went
chi
here,
ania kan
push.
han net le zeu dial nu khanin chuan heta hian
Then it went to here, and the numbers are
adang
here.
changkang le deu ania
And then it went
tu
to
nai ro
my back
chuanin
pocket.
hei cell phone te kan lo nei ta
Smartphone.
kan changkang tho dan ja kha he helai hian tle min an ron nan lo da ve ni hi
War hun naya mi ani hay thalak lui to tak mai sao phong hi cho thil hian da that ve a hi thil chu lui lom to he mai
ole hi ban la ya telephone anin diak dan lui te kha an lo la ne ya he penga ngai kha ka han a tong na tur ri ne he pa hianin
okay
betu ematia he
oh wow Oh yeah, I can hear you. That's amazing.
It works better for children.
This is so neat. That's really good. It's working.
Oh, we're the one on the bottom you were before.
Moi
The flowery one right there. Yeah, but turn around so you can actually see it better.
Kan han try chin ani hi ma khan ka lo entir to chewa
I don't know. I have no idea.
katia hetia
I think it's like that.
hun la ya an lukhum vel te kha kan ngai to na te tak khan lo khum ve don sia le lama chuan hei ki po kan pui via in kin sian anwam ve lu to ka mai ro
like you're wearing flowers.
lukhum te hi amak dang lam ve ang renga chen hi chu khum chu anwam em lem lawa ma se dang lam ve shim shim ani
Oh, that's kind of cool.
kan papon that's kind of cool that is
All right, thank you so much for showing us. We enjoy. All right.
lại hianin khoi zu mani du taka lakhe oma ta hian kan ko don ole hi Nghahloh Dawr kan kal thane Mizoram ma po khan Nghahloh Dawr an tiami khatiang kha tu ma lawa poisa pek mai ha min an du ang an la ka poisa pek mai kha khatiang deuh kha nia tu na hianin hei I khoi an khoi na mun le khoi zu an zor na huna kan kalani kinki an khoi an khoi na mun ania chuan helaya hianin an khoi zu
and there is
miten
the store
an ron le na hun tur Dawr ang reng le
self-serve
an siamani
Go into kan kalna ko pakhata Khoi zu khoi an khoi na lo ama hi Mizoram ang deuh khania I anei tu te po anom chuang lawa kan du kan la a poisa kan da maya kha enge ni mana po Mizoram a kong sira I thai te an da a poisa khan da maya khatiang deuh khan he heta hianin khoi khi lama khian khoi zu siam na nya hen ei khoi zu atanga siam heng te hi khoi enge ni an a wax te hi chu khoi atanga siam vekania hei amasen lo ni tam vak lawa khoi zu hi hei tlem te an ne ya ma se heng zong hi ali theya hian an lo da a nei tu po a ngak tu po nom chuang lo kan ti hian kan lenga poisa kan da mai don ni
tuna kan khoi zu le hi kan then am pai min shil danin achi chhade ubek alo find de ubek ania arong te po hi alo eng de ubeka Nghahloh Dawr hun dang pakhata kan han kal le lo kange o
ole hei kan zela tu na chuanin kel atanga siam goat cheese ona huna kan kal dona so ai son kel ambo kan che la hianin store ania kan han le yang e chen tu ma nom lawa lak le to pa poisa da le to pa ni mai la hianin and there's the goat they're so pretty
he dawr po hi Khawpui bula helai farm nei tu te hianin inter te an sa ta chuan an farm thil tam tak le an vegetable te an cheese le tin t-shirt te po an zuak
so helai a po hianin mani poisa pek mai tu re ni an nei tu te nom lo kan du kan la kan mai do na ni
eggs, cheese.
Helai dora an items na izong hi an da veka ta chuanin thil a hrang-hrangin an tek dan ma check azia theia cash azia theia online na pek theia GPay tiang de han gel te po
theia meat, t-shirts, coffee
turania chuanin cash te check kan nei chuanin
lavender
envelope an lo da sa a chuta chuanin envelope a khan thun mai turani
oh it smells so good oi rim tui lavender hi rim tui sa ole hei Nghahloh Dawr atanga goat cheese tu pahi kan lei do na yan poisa envelope kan da mai do na ni an dei tu te po ang lo hei goat cheese ania dollar som hi poi dollar som ni man ani chu to kho mai eng sang ge india poisa chuan dollar som chu zaria tel nia sang hi man de thon ni chu nei he cheese ter te hi ase tui don khop mai
ole khati te kha tu na tan chuan lo ni le report mai se kan lom thank you so much and God bless.